I'll be representing Northwest at the upcoming Inter-Districts, and together with Fransjo van der Merwe from Vogbel, Herman Bakkes from PCC, who's a fresh import from the Southern Free State, and Tinus Kraus from Klerksdorp, we will be making up one half of the Northwest Open Men's team. What does winning together mean? It means to have a lot of different moving parts, and when each part functions perfectly, we can achieve a common goal. Winning together is not a medal, it's not a first or a second or a third place, it's not a trophy. Winning together is a feeling, a commonality, a team spirit, a cohesion, and a harmony. Winning together is being the best you can be together. Being the best you can be for every other member of your team. Winning together is being proud of what you have achieved, proud of your hard work and efforts, and proud of the belief that was placed in you. Ubi Concordia, ibi Victoria. Where there is unity, there is victory. Wishing everyone safe travels, good bowling, and we look forward to seeing you soon.
Yeah.